Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturer, Sir Norizam. In this video, we will be presenting to you our DSA project, which consists of linked list and binary search implementation. Our group consists of 3 people, which are Arina Zafira, Hazli Natasha, and I myself, Siti Azmina. So without further ado, we will start our code and output explanation.
Okay, my name is Nurul Hazli Natasha. Now I will explain on the first part of our coding, which is linked list coding. In our linked list coding, we have declare our struct node, which is consists of 11 information, which are number, name, IC number, marks for lab exercise, test 1, lab test, final exam, assignment, quiz, project, and total. And we also have declared our pointer next as our nodes. Next is we have create our linked list class. And in our public, we have declared all the constructor and the function that will be used in our linked list. And also in our private, we had declared our pointer head is our node. Next one, we have create our linked list constructor and declare head equal to null. Next function is empty. Empty function is to check whether the linked list contain any information, and if the linked list is empty, this function will return true, and if false, it will return false. If the linked list is not empty, it will return false. Next is function delete node. This function is to delete the particular node in this list. And the next one is insert node. This function is to insert nodes that contain all the information, which we can insert the information of number, IC number, name, like lab exercise, test 1, lab test, final exam, assignment, quiz, project, total, and next in this function. The next one is display all function. This function is to display all nodes, which are 28 records of student with the information. As we can see, our display all function coding, it will display all the information for every student, which contain their own information such as number, name, IC, and their particular marks. Next one is we also had created several functions that can calculate average for all mark. As an example, we had created average final. We had calculate average for lab exercise, test, lab test, assignment, quiz, project, total, and we also had create function to determine whether how many students will get A in this list. And also the last one is we determine the number of students which get final exam mark 15% and above. Next, I pass to Arina.
Hi, my name is Arina Zafira, and I will explain from binary search until main. So in the binary search function, we will using the array and to checking if the elements is present in a middle locations using the if functions, or if the search element is present in the greater half or present in the lower half. And then return -1 if there is no location function. If there is no location found. Next is the linked list menu where the message will be displayed. And then data list menu functions for the data list menu. And then main menu will where will this message display. And next in the main function, first we will call the main menu function and user can enter the option. Using while functions, if user enter options that not 1 of until 4, the message "you have entered wrong choice, please start again and please enter to continue" will be displayed, and then the main menu will be called for user to choose the option again. Next, using the while function, first option it will be called the linked list menu, and then for the case 1 it will be called the isEmpty function. Case 2 will be called will be insert data, and then case 3 will be called display all function. Case 4 we call delete node function. Case 5 will call the main menu function again. And then if there's user enter the wrong choice, it will be execute the default. In the second option, which is binary search, here is the array, and then if location is not equal to 1, it will be execute and display the locations. Else it will be display element not found, and it will go back to the main menu function. The next option is for data analysis. There are 11 cases that we execute in this function. Else, if there is no information in the insert in the linked list, it will be execute the data analysis cannot be done, list is empty, please insert data in the linked list, and then it will go back to the main menu, so user can insert the information first in the linked list. And then the last option is exit menu function. The message will be executed. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm Azmina. I will be explaining about the output of this data structure project. So as you can see, in the main menu, we will display the three functions of this project, which is linked list, binary search, data analysis, and we also have exit menu function. So here, the user need to input the option. So if user input option 1, it will go to the linked list menu, where here there are student record status, insert all students record, display all students record, delete student record, and also back to main menu. So when user insert 1, it will display the student record status whether the link is empty or not. As you can see here, the result is 1, so it means the link is not empty. The link is empty. It's yes. And then when the user input option 2, it will insert all the data and it will display there are 28 records of students will be inserted and data had been inserted successfully. Option 3 is for display data. As you can see, all the data has been displayed, 28 data. And then option 4 is for delete the student record. Here we can choose how many notes that we want to delete. So for example, I want to delete 20 notes. So all the data has been deleted. And we can check whether the data have been deleted or not by displaying the student record again. So as you can see here, the student record, it has deleted all the 20 data and start from record student 21 until 28. And next we can back to main menu. So the second function of this project is binary search, where here we can do the binary searching. Enter the total mark that you want to search. So I enter 68. So it displays the element not found and it directs to the main menu. So now we'll do the data analysis. So user need to input the option 3. And here there are 11 options. Option 1 to option 8 is to calculate the average for test marks. There are LE, lab exercise, test 1, lab test, final exam, assignment, quiz, project, and also the average for total mark. So if the user input 1, it will display the average mark for lab exercise for 28 students, where the average mark for LE is 9. And then the average for assignment, for example, so the user need to insert 5, option 5, and it will display the average mark for assignment for 28 students. Average mark for assignment is 8.7725. And next, if the user insert option 9, it will display the number and percentage of students that get grade A minus, A, and A plus. So there are a total of 4 students that get grade A minus, A, and 4 A plus, and the percentage of students who get these grades are 50%. And the last analysis is to check whether the number of students who get the percentage of final exam above 15%. So the user need to insert option 10, and it display the number of students who get 15% and above for final exam mark, which are 8 students, and the percentage of students who get final exam mark 15 and above are 100%. So the last option is back to main menu, and it will go back to main menu. But for example, if the user insert the wrong option, for example 14, it will display the data analysis menu again. And finally, if the user enter option 11, they will back to the main menu and they can start the searching again by inserting the option that they want. So yeah, that's it for our data structure project. Thank you.